Hi, welcome to the CATER. We'd love to show you around. The CATER was inspired by a New York style apartment. We wanted to bring the sophistication of New York with the fun of Bali into this beautiful compact living. The CATER is beautiful, minimalist living with great attention to detail. We brought in all high quality fittings such as these gorgeous brass line lighting, as well as these gorgeous Carrera top marble with metal frame. We wanted everything to be not overdone, but done beautifully. We wanted everything to feel calm and classic, timeless, but also with a lot of love in every detail. The CATER is a gorgeous 2-bedroom apartment in central Broward. We'd love to show you around the master bedroom. A few of my favorite details here at the master bedroom is this gorgeous charcoal Juco cabinetry. We love it that we've also brought in this gorgeous upholstered bed head with this 10-centimeter fluting and incredible frame out system. We also love all of these gorgeous cushions. We brought in multiple textures and patterns to create depth, but kept the color palette very neutral, black and gold and classy with a highlight of terracotta. When we're coming up with the idea and the inspiration for the CATER, it was very clear that we wanted to bring a sophisticated accommodation style to central Broward. We also wanted it still to have highlights and pinches of tropical lifestyle. So you can see within the finishing, we've brought in gorgeous brass lighting, extra details such as this gorgeous round mirror, brass imported lights, but then we've also contrasted next to these gorgeous rattan chairs. It's a real highlight here. We were so lucky on this project to partner up with the amazing Paloma Hardware. They brought in all these beautiful brushed gold details that give it such an elegant feeling. Thank you for joining us for the tour of the CATER. If you'd like a tour, check in the link below for the contact details.